Greetings everyone! It's great to be back with another video tutorial, and today I'm excited to show you how to download all your photos and videos from Google Photos in one go. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open up the Google app or Google Photos app. Once you're in, click on the profile picture of your Google account in the top right corner. This will bring up a window where you'll want to select Manage your Google account. Once you're in the settings, click on Data and Privacy and scroll down until you see Data from apps and services you use. Click on Manage Data and Personalization, then scroll down until you see Download your data. Here, you'll see a list of all the Google services that save your data. Find Google Photos and click on Download. Next, select your preferred browser. I'm going with Chrome and wait for it to load. You'll now be given the option to select which data you want to download. Once you've chosen, you'll be asked to select how you want to receive the data via a link, Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Select your preferred method, and Google will email you a link containing all your photos and videos. You'll also have the option to select your export settings, such as how often you want to create backups and what file type and size you want to use. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Create Export, and Google will begin zipping all your files into manageable parts. After that, you'll receive a link to your email and can download your photos and videos in one go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you found this useful. Thanks for watching.